Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of cooking with pots and pans that stick and make a mess? Well, I've got the solution for you, the T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set. This amazing cookware set is a game changer, with its ProGlide non-stick interior that makes food release and cleanup a breeze. You can cook healthy and delicious meals with little to no oil, and the easy cleanup means you'll be spending more time enjoying your meals and less time scrubbing away at stubborn stains. One of the things that really sets this set apart is the unique heat indicator that turns solid red when the pans are properly preheated, giving you a perfect sear every time. The even heat base also ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection, whether you're searing, browning, or simmering. And with the comfortable handles and vented glass lids, you'll have a sturdy and secure grip while cooking, and be able to see exactly what's going on in the pan. This set is also incredibly versatile, with a range of pots and pans that can handle everything from omelets to stir-fries. And with its dishwasher and oven-safe design, you can cook and clean with ease. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a popular choice among home cooks. I've found that it's perfect for busy weeknights, when I need to whip up a quick and easy meal. The non-stick surface is also a dream to clean, and the sound of food sliding out of the pan with ease is music to my ears. Overall, the T-Fal Signature Non-Stick Pots and Pans set is a must-have for anyone who loves to cook, and I highly recommend giving it a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.